Route.
Metro Airport, that is information, Juliet. 2356 Zulu, wind 050 at 8. Weather better than 5005. Temperature 30, check density altitude 2.0. Altimeter 3003, visual approaches in use. Landing on departing runways 12 left, 12 right. Notices to and hazardous weather available for Colorado and surrounding states from flight service frequency. Taxi with Romeo 1 closed for construction. Advise on unnecessary contact, you have this information, Juliet.
Okay, we got that. Give them a call on ground, VFR to the north.
Metro ground, Chicago 120, Echo reserve on the western ramp, ready taxi VFR to the north with Juliet.
Chicago 1201 Echo Metro ground, runway 12 left, taxi via Bravo 3, runway 3 and Alpha.
Bravo 3, runway 3 to Alpha, to 12 left, 01 Echo. Metro Tower, Skyhawk 1201 Echo, holding short 12 left, VFR to the north.
Cessna 120 Echo, Metro Tower, runway 12 left, line up wait.
Line up wait, 12 left, 01 Echo.
Senior 507, turn left 1 able and contact ground 121.7.
Ground 1, left 1 able, ground 0.7 on the other side, photos 507.
Cessna 01 Echo, runway 12 left, clear for takeoff, northbound approved.
Takeoff 12 left, northbound approved, 01 Echo. Laramie traffic, Skyhawk 1201 Echo is about 3 miles to the east, entering right downwind, runway 3, Laramie. Traffic Tag 1201 Echo on the go, runway 3 Laramie. We'll be departing back to the southeast. Traffic Skyhawk 1201 Echo is 12 miles to the north, inbound, full stop, we're going to be entering straight in for runway 15, NOCO.
We'll just keep it rolling since I'm making Alpha 4.
Sounds good to me.
Record traffic tag 1201 Echo, exiting runway 15, Alpha 3.
Okay. Set throttle to 1,000, taxi light off, avionics off.